Yoo everybody, welcome back again with me Baha, and now today I want to teach you about how to upload your website project on GitHub. So let's get into it. So first thing first, you must open your project. I will show you, using my project here, Kurban. We open the project to the VS Code. We open in terminal. Let's type code space dot point, press enter and wait for the VS Code to open. So the first thing we must do, close this first, and then we already go to the our website. So we gotta to try to open in the local. So this is a website I create using Laravel. And so let's open. For the Laravel, you must do type php artisan serve, or you can just do php artisan serve, press enter. And um, for the layouts or front end, just type the npm run dev. You open the terminal. In the other terminal, you can click the 3 point here and terminal, new terminal. And after this open, you can click this split terminal. So I will do npm run dev, click enter. This is the loading. So while waiting the loading, let's open our Aragon. Aragon is basically a tools for opening the Laravel website. So we gotta click the start all. This is for connecting the MySQL for the database from Laravel. Okay, the npm run dev is already working, but the php artisan serve is still loading. Okay, the localhost is already clicked, so the server is running. Click this code here and wait. This is the preview for our website. So we want to open the website in the external browser. So click this the tree and the open in external browser. This is my website. So I want to open this website to the GitHub. So let's open the GitHub. github.com. In the GitHub, let's create a new repository in here. New repository. And you can type your repository. I will choose Kurban. Okay, the description you can not click anything. For the choice visibility, you can use private or public. You can add readme and git ignore. Let's create the repository. So this is for the tutorial how to upload your website on the GitHub. So this quick setup. If you don't kind of thing before, just blah blah blah. And let's focus on this type here. Is create a new repository on the command line. So the first thing you must do is to click to press git init in the terminal in your browser, local browser. So while server and the fight is working, let's create the new terminal here. Let's press click git init. So git init is basically, let's search in the ini, git init. Okay, it's already done. So git init is the command used to start a new empty git repository or reinitialize an existing one. Git init when you're creating a brand new project from scratch on your own computer, like that. And after git init, we use git add, but don't use the readme.md because we want to git add space dot git add. Let's git add space dig dot, press enter. What about git add? So the git add is already working. So git add is git add is working directory, staging area, and the commit. Okay, next to the next step is git commit, first commit. So in this commit, you basically upload your website, your code to the GitHub, and in this specify is to comment the upload. So let's copy and paste in the terminal, git commit. You can type whatever you want, or I think first or pertama or something like that. Let's first commit. Let's use the standard one. Okay, this is the create, the storage, routes, and so on and so forth. Let's continue the step. We use git branch. Let's copy and paste here. What is git branch? Let's search here. Git branch is a command used to rename your current working branch, usually the default one to main. The branch indicate a specific timeline of your project. When you first run git init, Git creates a default timeline for you to work on. This command simply change the name of the default timeline. Okay, basically it's like a branch, right? So the next step is git remote at origin Bahamut git. So this is for the address to the GitHub. Okay, it's already done. And the last thing is the git push. Basically, you press the upload button in the VS Code. It's still loading here. Let's search the git push strip origin main. What is that? It's basically a command that finally uploads your safe local work to a remote server like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket, so others can see it, or so you have a backup in the cloud. Continuing our previous analogy, if git commit is sealing your shipping box and putting in a label, git push is handing that box to the delivery driver, take it to the remote warehouse. Okay, we already done the tutorial here. If you want to, for example, your website is edited by you, and you can use this command, not this one, but this one. You can get remote at origin, this first for the address, and you can git branch and the upload button. Alright, let's check our repository here. Is it already upload or not? Repositories. Alright, it's already saved to your server for your cloud. And then if you click here, it's basically the same on your local project. I think it's enough for now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.